Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into VWO for CRO testing on your Shopify store step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the VWO website by typing in the URL. Click on the login button typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field below. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Click on the login button to proceed. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. Once logged in, you will be taken to the VWO dashboard. In the dashboard, locate your project associated with your Shopify store. Click on the project name to open it. Once in the project, navigate to the CRO testing section from the menu. Familiarize yourself with the available testing options. Select the type of test you wish to conduct. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your test parameters. Ensure that you have the necessary VWO tracking code installed on your Shopify store. Once everything is set up, click on the Start Test button to launch your CRO test. Monitor the test performance through the VWO dashboard. Review the analytics for insights after the test concludes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.